When it comes to meal prepping, your freezer is your best friend. A sheet pan is gonna change your life when it comes to preparing meals. Here's an easy way to make 3 separate meals all at one time. The first step is you're gonna need some foil. For this, I'm gonna need 3 separate pieces. I'm gonna fold these edges together to create 3 sections. 1 sheet pan is now 3. Now, just separate the chicken. You can do this with beef, shrimp, vegetables, whatever you want. I'm doing this because for my weekly meal prep, I want 3 different flavors. That way, I don't get tired of the same thing throughout the week. And this is all up to your imagination. Be creative and mix up the flavors. And to save time, I've diced this chicken so it'll cook quicker. More like it spicy, more spice. There we go. It's all the same ingredient, all the same size, so it'll cook evenly all at once. A meal prep shortcut is having the grocery store help you out with pre-cut ingredients. Frozen vegetables are also another huge time saver. The divider method works great, but alternatively, you can keep your ingredients plain and simple and mix up the flavors by topping them with different sauces. I prepped all the same ingredients, but can have some variety with different flavors throughout the week. And just like that, lunch and dinner for the whole week. The best part about this method is easy cleanup. Quick rinse and I'm done. Instead of buying it from the store, I'm gonna show you how to make your own freezer meals. I like to bake the bacon to make it extra crispy. For the best scrambled eggs, let's use some low heat. That'll make them fluffier and they cook more evenly. I like to give these tortillas a little toast. These breakfast burritos are simple, easy, and delicious. Making your own, you can control the ingredients and make each burrito exactly how you want it. These are so cute and little, great for a weekday breakfast. Season everything how you like it. This is a much better alternative than what you can buy at the store. But still just as easy. For the amount of time you can make one burrito, you can make enough for a week. You can also do make-ahead breakfast sandwiches or overnight oats. Meal prep is all about having options. And finally, just wrap each one individually. That way they're ready to grab whenever you need one. To prepare all of these, it only took about 30 minutes. Make as many as you want, because the great thing is you can freeze these and they'll last for several weeks. Make sure anything that you're freezing, that you label it with what it is and the date. Having them wrapped in foil also makes it so easy to reheat them in the oven. The next time you're slicing up apples, here's a tip you can use to keep them from turning brown. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is prepare a salt-water mixture. That's 1 teaspoon of salt for every 2 cups of water. Then slice up your apples and add them right to the salt water. These will need to soak for about 5 minutes. The salt water will prevent them turning brown, but not make them taste salty. Alternatively, you can use a lemon water solution. I like to roll my lemons first, that makes them extra juicy. Juicy, juicy. Doesn't matter if you get the seeds in there. These may seem like a gimmick, but they save a lot of time slicing. Then you can add these apples right into the lemon water. Let these soak for a few minutes, and you have apples that won't turn brown. Now these are ready for your sack lunch or meal prep. Now it's ready to go. I really like these divided containers. I also like glass containers for meals that need to be reheated. That way you don't need to transfer it to another dish to heat it up. Glass is also great because it won't stain like plastic and it's more sustainable. If you're in a hurry, here's some secret tricks to get the most out of your microwave. Your microwave has a power setting for a reason, so use it. Adjusting the power setting down can actually help you cook your food more evenly. Adjusting that power setting down will help prevent those hot spots where some parts are cold and other parts are still hot. There we go. Lowering that power setting, you'll need to cook things a little bit longer, but you'll avoid hot spots and cold spots. Another tried and true method for reheating leftovers is the ring technique. Pushing all those leftovers to the sides prevents a cold middle. I'm gonna cover this because pasta will mess up your microwave. I believe in you. And a damp paper towel will keep the food in your micro moist. Or you can add a splash of water right to the dish. Alternatively, to keep things crispy, put a dry paper towel underneath. This will soak up extra moisture so it won't get soggy. Sure, the microwave isn't always ideal, but it's convenient and fast. With proper prepping and packaging, you'll have meals for days. Thanks for watching Problem Solved. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out some of our other videos like these two right here.